Hey guys, it's Makeup by Deej. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I did this fun Mardi Gras inspired makeup look. I'm really excited about how this look turned out. This originally was supposed to be like a simple look, but right, as you can see, it's not. But I hope you guys can follow along, and if you like it, take whatever you like from it and use it. So yeah, in Louisiana right now, we're celebrating Mardi Gras. If you're not familiar with the holiday, it's Fat Tuesday. It's basically like carnival in the South. And it's just like, you know, parades and a bunch of fun stuff going on in New Orleans. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then definitely stay tuned. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Deej. And without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial, you guys. Okay, so I'm doing something that I never do. I'm starting off with the eyes. Haven't done this in forever on myself. I do this on my clients, start with the eyes, but never on me. I always start with the face. So I'm taking my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer in Ebony Bronze into my crease, as always, to get this look started. I actually haven't even decided if I'm participating in Mardi Gras this year. Okay, so now we have that. Next thing I'm going to do, grab this really bright light LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is Porcelain, yeah. I'm gonna cut the crease.
Just wait a minute, girl. One more time, just do that dance, just do that dance. Girl, that booty about to make a nigga fall in love. You coming home with me when we leave the club. But first,
so now what I'm gonna do is take some yellow eyeshadow on the inner eye corner. I look funny. I got all these on. And just pack it right there, y'all. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be out in New Orleans for Mardi Gras because that can be very dangerous. It can also be very fun. I fell on Canal Street one Mardi Gras with my best friend. Over one of those barricades in the middle of a parade. So it was one of those parade breaks. Okay, next I'm just gonna take like a lime green to transition, to put that next to this color basically. Yeah, I fell in the middle of the street and it was embarrassing and it kind of ruined Mardi Gras for me. I haven't been back since. For those of you who are not familiar with Mardi Gras, it means Fat Tuesday. It's basically like carnival down south. At LSU gets their colors from Mardi Gras. Gonna take a darker green and place it right next to, yeah, right next to that. Still trying to figure it out as I go. Cause I kind of wanted this to be a simple look. Okay. I think it's still simple. Like I wanted this to be beginner friendly. I'm really just like tapping the colors, like as you can see. Like I'm not doing anything with it. And then I'm just gonna do that like that. You can see what I'm doing. You just fill it in. I'm gonna add some black really close to the lash line to kind of smoke the green out.
just wait a minute, girl. One more time, just do that dance, just do that dance. Girl, that booty about to make a nigga fall in love.
I don't even know why I'm really doing this because my wing is gonna cover this, but I'm just gonna continue anyway.
Don't be shy, girl.
Take the blending brush. That's really nice. I've never done anything like this before and I'm excited. I must say. Woo! Okay, so I went and low-key did the utmost off camera with just bringing the green and black mixture up because I was like, who am I kidding? No one's gonna see that little corner peak because I'm gonna throw a big old wing on this. So I had to go and bring the shadow way up. So you don't even have to do the wing if you want, you know, you just keep it nice and simple and, you know, tone all of this down by all means if you need to. But if you want to go all out, sis, okay? So now what we're going to do is take a really, really, really light yellow eyeshadow and what we're going to do here. I can't even breathe when I do that. So I don't know if you can see the difference.
But first, let me get a little drink in me. Snap with a little Henny under the hood.
So next, my favorite part. Wing liner.
We all on each other from the minute you walk in the club. I ain't gotta lie to you, cause you know it. I think I'm about to fall in love right now. You should get ready, cause I'm in the mood. I'm trying to do something to you, but baby, hold up.
Okay, so I'm super excited about how this looks. So now, let's beat this face, okay? And I'm gonna speed through this. Because you already know the drill, the deal. All the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. So, let's go.
We got all the time in the world tonight. Baby, calm down. I see you sipping a little bit, won't you give me a taste? And just dance for me. Cause girl, when you get it, gon' have you running away. But you can't handle what I got for you. Won't stop. Cause you deserve all of me, baby. Your booty all on me, baby. Girl, can you get on top? My bad, girl, if I'm moving too fast. I think I need to slow up. But ain't no more liquor in your glass. Girl, you better pull up. Yeah, champagne on the way. It's the time and the place. Baby girl, I wanna take off everything, but I gotta wait. Wanting your body, but it's the time and the place. Oh girl, I gotta wait. Wait just for a minute. I gotta check out my tab. You can sit in my lap when we ride the Lamborghini. Just hold on, cause I'm running every red light, baby. No brakes or gas. It's gonna be a long night, baby. Time and the place when I grab you by the waist and you make that booty shake, gonna put it in my face. I'ma eat it like it's dinner on my plate. You been talking shit all night, you better pull your weight. I'm tossing salad, that bitch better bring the dressing with her. I break the bed when I'm in it, take the dresser with us. It's a blessing when you get it. When I'm licking on the pussy, then caressing on the titties. Got your face in the pillow, grabbing on the sheets. Checking out the plumbing, girl, I know you got a leak. I'm tryna make you scream, I don't wanna speak. I'm tryna have you walking bow-legged by the week. Yeah, champagne on the way. It's the time and the place. Baby girl, I wanna take off everything, but I gotta wait. Wanting your body, but it's the time and the place. Oh girl, I gotta wait. Girl, I wanna be a lover. We can do this all night, right now. But first, let me get a little drink in me. Snap her with a little Henny. Under the hood, got a big Hemi. Oh yeah, babe, you gon' feel it when you ride with me. We all on each other.
Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go into some purple eyeshadow, dark purple. Just line very thinly.
But baby, hold up, yeah. Champagne on the way. It's the time and the place. Baby girl, I wanna take off everything, but I gotta wait.
Yeah, so I just put some black over it. Just make it really pop. Alrighty, I'm gonna go add some lashes mascara, the camera, anything. Okay, so we're just about done. I'm so excited. I love this look. It's like dramatic, but it's not that dramatic. I don't know. It's really dramatic. Anyway, let's highlight.
My bad, girl, if I'm moving too fast, I think I need to slow up. But ain't no more liquor in your glass. Girl, you better pull up. Yeah, champagne on the way.
Last but not least is looks.
I wanna take off everything, but I gotta wait. Wanting your body, but it's the time and the place. Oh, girl, I gotta wait. Wait just for a minute. I gotta check out my tab. You can sit in my lap when we ride the Lamborghini. Just hold on, 'cause I'm running every red light, baby. No brakes, all gas. It's gonna be a long night, baby. Time and the place when I grab you by the waist and you make that booty shake, gonna put it in my face.
So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are participating in Mardi Gras experiences and festivities on this weekend and next week, then definitely be safe. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.
Walking bow-legged by the week. Yeah, champagne on the way.